Hey Dutch crew and my turtle people, welcome back to the channel, the home of no nonsense barbecue videos. Today we're going to be making my favourite that I order when I go to an Indian restaurant or order a takeout, and that is Chicken Shashlik, and we'll be cooking this on the Ninja Woodfire grill. We're using chicken breast for this recipe. I've got 2 chicken breasts. It's going to feed 2 people. All we're going to do is cut them in half. Then we're going to cut them into some decent bite-sized pieces. That's all our chicken prepared, and that's about the size of the pieces you want. Next thing to do is get them into a bowl because we're going to marinate this chicken. One whole onion that's been cut down into segments. 1 red pepper that's been cut down into decent sized chunks. 1 green pepper that's been cut down into a decent sized chunk. For the marinade we've got 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, half a teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. All we need to do now is get the hand in and give this a good mix. So that's ready. Once we've mixed it, into the fridge for about an hour. Turn our attention now to the Ninja Woodfire grill. I'm using the economizer from the Pellet Man and also some Pellet Man's charcoal pellets. About 25 grams of pellets here. We'll get these into the Ninja Woodfire grill. We're going to go on smoker setting. We're going to turn the temperature up to 200 degrees. And we're going to put 45 minutes on the timer. The Woodfire technology is already lit, so no need to press the button, and all we're going to do is press start. Our chicken's been marinated now for an hour, and now it's time to build the skewers. And all we're going to do is put a piece of onion on, a piece of chicken, a piece of green pepper, another piece of chicken, a piece of red pepper, a 3rd piece of chicken, and then we're going to cap it off with another piece of onion. What we're going to do is repeat this until we've got 6 skewers all made up. So that's our kebabs ready. The Ninja grill's up to temperature and all that acrid smoke's burnt off. I'm using a silicone mat in the bottom, and also I'm going to be using like a kebab rack. You can put these kebabs straight onto the grill plate, but I prefer the grill rack. So we're just going to lay these in. The rack here you see is one that I bought. I've cut it down so it actually fits perfectly into the Ninja Woodfire. We're going to close the lid and we're going to let this go. While the kebab's cooking, we're going to make a sauce. So into a blender, I'm going to put 4 tomatoes that have been quartered, half a teaspoon of chili pepper, 2 whole garlic cloves, 2 tablespoons of white wine vinegar, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce, pinch of salt, pinch of pepper, and then we're going to give this a good old blitz. What we're looking for is a smooth paste. So that's our curry sauce ready to be cooked. Just going to put a pan on the heat, a little bit of vegetable oil, and we're just going to cook this curry sauce out. About 5 minutes, a gentle simmer, just to take the rawness off those tomatoes. If it's a bit watery, you can add some cornstarch mixed into water to thicken it, but this is okay. So that's my curry sauce ready. Back to the kebabs. They've had about 15 minutes and they look ready to me. We'll get this off and we'll get our dish built. So there we have it, folks. That's Dutch's chicken shashlik cooked on the Woodfire grill. About time we had a bit of a taste. We've kind of got one of these skewers. Pull some of the crispy onion off. That's nice. But it's the chicken we're interested in. That's moist. Tender chicken. It's got a definite flavour to it. Now shashlik has that overwhelming flavour of a bit of a vinegary taste, and that's just what this is. We're going for a taste now of our rice with our curry sauce. That curry sauce has got a bit of heat to it. Once again, you can taste that vinegar coming through, but it's a dish I love. Just look at that. We've got a naan bread with garlic butter, some coriander, and we're going for a big taste. Who needs a takeaway when you can cook food this good at home? I'm carrying on.